Next destination, we are going to Westlake. Next destination, Westlake. You guys, don't skip ad, okay? Kailangan makaipon. Let's go. Sana maka 100 subscriber na ako. Kailangan. 82 pa lang eh. May nagtanggal eh.
Sinasabi niya.
Everyone, watch my live. Welcome to the Philippines. Good morning. Oh guys, ano naman tito ko, Fernando Serrano, paki-follow mo rin. Thank you guys. Nagba-vlog rin yon tuwing umaga. And also June Serrano, please follow him on his Facebook. Thank you everyone. Ganda ng mga motor nila. Doon oh. Yung David Hardison ba yun?
David Hardison.
Yeah, that's a nice motor. Guys, hindi pwedeng patay. Ano yan? Bawal yun iyan sa vlog. Kasi that's a funeral place. Bawal yan.
You first. I told you.
Bawal ipakita yan kasi funeral lang yan. Funeral name. Baka matanggal ako sa Facebook.
Daly City buffet.
Yes,
right?
yes. Cold Stones. They have Cold Stone here. Oh, that's the new buffet, you guys. There's the new buffet. I might try it one time. We're gonna go to Westlake na. Next destination. Next destination, Westlake. BART station, Colma BART. This is Colma BART.
That's the train.
Yeah, no, this is Colma BART, right?
Yeah, the train is
You know, Colma BART. This is Colma BART. No, this is Daly City BART. This is Daly City BART, not Colma BART. My bad.
So, Daly City.
It's getting confused. Daly City BART and Colma BART. I'm getting confused.